Advanced troubleshooting steps to address the Call of Duty Warzone mobile login error in 2024, excluding basic solutions. Investigate server issues. Check online sources or social media for reports of widespread login issues. If it's a server-side problem, there's not much you can do on your device, but waiting for the developers to resolve it. Advanced account management. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Ensure 2FA is enabled for your Activision account linked to Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. This extra layer of security might be required for login in certain regions. Account verification. Verify your Activision account email address to avoid any verification-related login issues. Advanced app tweaks. Clear app cache. Android and iPhone. While not as basic as a full reinstall, clearing the app cache can sometimes resolve temporary glitches that might be causing login problems. Android. Go to Settings, Apps and Notifications, or similar, greater than Call of Duty Warzone Mobile, Storage, Clear Cache. iPhone. Offload the app, Settings, General greater than iPhone Storage, Call of Duty Warzone Mobile, to clear the cache, then reinstall it. Reinstall the app, last resort. Reinstalling the app can fix corrupted data or software issues that might be causing login problems. However, this will erase any downloaded game data. VPN. Use with caution. Note: using a VPN to bypass regional restrictions is against Call of Duty Warzone Mobile's terms of service and can potentially lead to account bans. Use this option at your own risk. Some users report success using a VPN to log into Call of Duty Warzone Mobile in unsupported regions. However, this is a temporary solution and can be risky. Remember, advanced troubleshooting methods like VPNs carry inherent risks. Only use them as a last resort and be aware of the potential consequences. If the login issue persists after these steps, consider contacting Call of Duty Warzone Mobile's official support channels for further assistance.